Cone.
Eh?
Cone.
Cool.
Cone.
Which one is the cone?
The hat. The hat that like this.
Ah, the hat.
Like the Christmas hat if you did like
Christmas.
Not the one you do like this, the one you hold it in the air.
Christmas hat. Ah, that's how you people call it, like a cone.
Yes.
It goes like this, right?
Mm.
Something like this.
Mm. And the red
Then
hat is
there's something here.
mm.
Hey, Christmas hat. Okay, this one is also a triangle.
Cheese.
Cheese. Cheese is round.
Cheese. The
Which one?
straight one. We have the straight one too.
Which one is the cheese?
Food cheese.
It also looks like a triangle.
Well, they have different types. They have circle, they have this, and they have that.
They taught us in class 3.
That one also looks like a triangle. Okay. Maybe
We have the second one and the triangle one.
they have the second one, the triangle. Okay, so
Yes,
maybe
you have the square.
maybe I'll look for that later. I mean, I don't have any idea about that cheese. It looks like it. And maybe on top of the building, a roof. You know roof.
Yes. Yes.
Princess,
some
have you
roofs
seen
are
some before? Eh?
Like some roofs are.
That one.
Maybe some church temple. You see that thing, it looks like a triangle. And it's all these things that they use to take that measurement. Okay. So these are some of the things. If the building constructors have no idea about how to go about it, then that church building, the front to then bend head like this. Any that hat that you people have been seeing, then it will go, instead of going this way, then it will be something that bend, right? You understand what I'm talking about? So these are some of the examples. So many shapes in the world come out from the construction that you are coming to do. So it's not about the X and Y, it's about the understanding. It's about the understanding. So just understand what is happening. So read this question. Let me see. Using
a ruler and a pair of compasses only construct I triangle X Y Z.
So you are using a ruler and a pair of compasses only, right?
Yes.
Construct. So where is your ruler and a pair of compasses? Let me see. And the pair of compasses. Show it to me, right? Okay. So you are going to construct
triangle XYZ with XY equal to 9 cm.
Okay, so I'm just giving you a rough diagram on how to go about it. Okay. So now this is your first step. You see that thing here, that thing goes like this, X, Y. You see, this one is standing for the line. This thing here. So if one person is here, let's say, you see, let's limit our idea to a hat, or maybe you want to construct that hat, or you want to mold it, or maybe that church building. So if one person is here, another person is here, you want to know the distance, the line between the two of them. I will say from here to here. This is what we are calling this. Are you here? That is the line that we are talking about. So from here to here, how many centimeters? How many centimeters from the question?
9 centimeters.
So here will be 9 centimeters, right? You take a measurement from here to here, that is what? 9 centimeters. Is that okay? But it's very advisable to rule this line longer than what you are supposed to construct, right? Is that okay? So let me see your line. Is it? So how many measure? Take the measurement. Yeah. What is this? Is this one a ruler? These are some of the mistakes that people have been doing You're supposed to start from the 0, not 1.
When they have break.
That place has break. How are you going to take the measurement? The thing has break. How are you going to have an accurate measurement there? Is it want to use which side? Where? Where? That one is it 15 or is 0? So how are you going to have the 9 centimeters that you're talking about?
Okay. I'm going to bring
I said I'm going to sketch the question for you to have a fair idea. So next time you do that using a pair of compasses and all. So you stand here, you take your measurements from here to here. That is for 9 centimeters. What is the next thing? Read the question.
YZ equal to 12.
So bring the line, right? I told you that this symbol, whatever you see, this thing stand for the line. So line with what?
YZ.
YZ is equal to
12 centimeters.
this is 9 centimeters. This is going to be what, 12 centimeters.
XZ.
Hold on. In a construction, when you read one sentence, just do what they're asking you to do before you move on.
No full stop is there.
And I say if you read one line, one sentence, make sure that you do what exactly they're asking you to do before you proceed. Okay. No full stop is there. Okay, continue.
And XZ equal to 8.
So X
Z equal to 8.
I say bring the line. Equal to what?
That should bring line XZ.
Line XZ. I told you that this thing is standing for line. Meaning that from one place here to another. If you are here, you princess, you are here. And then Obed is here. Before you move from here to Obed, then you have to take what? 9 centimeters. Let's say you are going to take 9 steps before you get here. Is that not easy? Are you just going to take 9 or you are going to take 9 steps? So line, that is what you are calling a line. So bring the line here. So XZ is equal to
8 centimeters.
Okay. So we are done with this. Now this is the second one, Y to Z. So here is X, the first line. Is that okay? And then the second one is going to be Y. Are you getting the point? So this is X, this is Y. So Z will be somewhere at the top here. We don't know exactly where Z is going to be. Right?
You can put it anywhere.
You don't put it anywhere. Because there's a measurement here. They say from Y to Z. So let's say Francisca is standing somewhere at the top here, right? Francisca is somewhere at the top here. So from where to where? So now, princess, you are X. And then this Y is going to be what? Obed. And then Francisca is going to be our Z or Z. Okay? Have you seen that people are forming triangle? So from here to here, we are having what? 9 centimeters. So let's say 9 steps. And then from Obed to Francisca, how many steps are you taking? How many steps? According to the question.
8 steps.
Oh, not 8.
12.
Y to Z. Y to Z.
12 steps.
12 centimeters. So all that we are going to do here is we don't use your ruler to take 12 centimeters here. But rather you use a compass. Are you getting what I'm saying? Get me a correct ruler. So use your pencil and the compass to as well as a rule to take the next measurements, right? So that's the 12 centimeters. So you start from, okay, first of all, measure your 9 centimeters from your lens. So that is the correct one. The one you are using is it centimeters?
Yes. Hey. Yes, it's 9 centimeters.
Mark the 9. Mark the 9. And the 1. Hey, why are you shifting the ruler?
And the 1. 1.
And the beginning. So always start from the 0. Don't start with the 1. Start from the 0. Okay, now you use your compass. The next one is for 12 centimeters. So label this. You see your lines are not up to. Eh? You see your lines are not up to. That's how I always advise you to rule the line, very long one, so that you take your measurement. See what I've done here. See the sketch. I told you always advisable to rule a line, very long one. Don't rule something short and then come and be joining them.
I didn't join anything.
So is it up to the 9?
No.
So are you not coming to join? Eh? Rule the line, very long one.
Another one.
Is that one up to the 9 centimeters? Clean that one first. Okay, measure your 9 centimeters. Start everything afresh. So you are going to start from where?
Yeah.
Which number on the ruler?
0.
So come forward, leave some line behind, okay? You can start from here and then leave some line behind. Okay.
I should.
How many measurements are you taking? 9. So measure it. Start from the 0. Let your ruler go against the line. Okay, so label them. They say, according to the question, they say from where to where? From
X and Y.
From X to Y, not X and Y. From X to Y. So label them under the point.
It's not doing any.
Yes. So this is what you draw. So those of you who want to see how she did this thing, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, whereby we bring you a very detail about how to solve this question. Right. So the next part says I should draw a perpendicular bisector. So that's the II, a perpendicular bisector of line what? X line what? Check the thing of line
XY.
XY. So which one is the XY?
Yeah.
So a perpendicular bisector means that you are going to divide this line into two equal parts. You know how to do that? So meaning that that's the word. The technical name is bisect, meaning that we are dividing this line here, X to the Y, into two equal parts using the compass. How do you do that? See what you know.
Using the compass.
Yeah, of course. Because the instruction says that using a ruler and a pair of compasses. So it didn't say you should use anything again. Do the thing.
Yeah.
How do you do it using the compass? So let's go. The last time I taught you how to bisect a line. Didn't I? Do what you know. There's nothing like fear. Okay, so tell me first, what are you going to do?
Put your compass in.
You open.
Draw a line.
You open to where? There's a instruction there. You have to open to certain point. You open to
The middle.
not the middle. The last time you did this thing here. I even taught you how to bisect a line and how to bisect what? An angle as well. You forget. You forget, yes or no?
Yes.
A bisector. So bisecting a line is very, very simple. So you start at the one end, hold your compass, stand there. So which line are you going to bisect?
This one.
The X and the Y. the S to Y. Okay, bisect means that you are dividing a line into two equal parts without using any ruler or anything. You stand there, you open more than half of the line. Didn't I tell you this the last time? Eh?
Good.
So open more than half of the line. So open more than half of the line. Let me see.
Open more than half of the line.
Is that open more than half of the line? The camera is misbehaving. More than half of each line.
Of this line. The X and the Y line.
Open it more than half. Open it. Yeah. The thing is that don't get to the end. That's all. So what are you going to do? Hold the tips of the compass. You don't hold the metal place. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Draw a line from at where? Where?
Here.
No, there. If you draw a line, is that line going to divide the X and Y into two equal parts? So soon you forget how I taught you how to bisect a line.
Draw an arc.
An arc. Where are you going to draw the arc?
Here.
Top and down. Okay? So hold the tips of your compass. Draw it very long, top and down. Because you don't know where the other one is going to meet. Okay. Oh, my camera is doing. Okay, I have it clear now. And the down. Are you holding the tips or you are holding the metal? It's okay. Once you have just a line on your book, it's okay. So, what's next?
It's tiny.
Okay.
And it was the arc.
Okay, cross it. Great.